Hello students, today I am going to teach you Standard 8 Chemistry, Chapter number 2, Physical and Chemical Changes, the second part. Whenever a change takes place, there is an involvement of energy. Either the energy may be evolved or absorbed during different kind of changes. Energy may be evolved or absorbed in the form of heat, light, sound, etc. During the physical change, this energy which is absorbed or evolved is very small. So we do not take it into account. We generally say that there is no net absorption or release of energy during a physical change. We say this because this energy change is very small in comparison to the energy changes that take place during a chemical change. Let us proceed with one example. If a small amount of water is heated, water changes to water vapor. Actually, what happens? Water molecules, it absorbs some of the heat energy and its intermolecular space increases, thereby decreasing the intermolecular force of attraction. As the molecules starts moving from one place to another and the molecules escape and forms vapor. In the same way, when water is cooled, the molecules of water, it comes closer to each other. It gives away the heat energy, it loses the heat energy, and the molecules come closer to each other and finally forms the solid, isn't it? That is ice. The intermolecular space decreases and the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules increases, isn't it? And the change takes place from liquid to solid. Thus we see that there is an energy change during a physical change. Or when we talk of chemical change also, there is energy change which takes place. During a chemical change, there is net absorption or release of energy. Let us take an example. During the process of photosynthesis, plant take carbon dioxide, water vapor, and it absorbs sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll for the manufacture of food. This type of reaction which takes place, I can say it as an endothermic reaction, since it takes place with the absorption of heat energy. We can say that during photosynthesis, energy in the form of sunlight is absorbed. Now, when you burn a piece of paper, what happens? The piece of paper burns to produce large amount of heat and light energy, isn't it? So that reaction we can say that it is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction that takes place with the evolution of heat energy. When water is added to calcium oxide, you must have seen large amount of heat energy is released. So we can say that this kind of reaction when water is added to calcium oxide is an exothermic reaction which takes place with the evolution of heat energy.